Hi there. Take a look at the numbers in the boxes, and I want you to see if you can see a connection between 6 and 4, the numbers in the yellow box, and how you can use 6 and 4 to get 20. And then I want you to think of ways that you could use 6 and 4 to get 4. And I will tell you that the way to do this is similar. It's a similar process, not the same, but similar to get the 20 with 6 and 4 as it is to get the 4 from 6 and 4. So take a moment, pause the video, and then come back and let's look at it a little bit further. All right, so this is an activity that I did just this morning with a learner in my patterns in algebra class. And so we looked at this. The numbers are cut off a little bit, but I think you can tell what those are. So what I want you to do is, now that you have a theory, right? You have an idea, a hypothesis. Let's see if it works with these other examples. So in other words, you have 3 examples all operating on the same premise. They all use the same pattern. So whatever you did with 6 and 4 to get 20, see if you can do the same thing with 12 and 8 to get 40, and with 15 and 2 to get 34. Does it work? Pause if you need a chance to do the math and see. And now think about how you got 4 in the blue box. Can you do the same thing with 12 and 8 to get 8? And with 15 and 2 to get 26? That might be a little different. It's kind of interesting how that works out. I don't know if you noticed that with 6 and 4, the number is 4. It's the second number. With 12 and 8, the number is 8, which is the second number. But with 15 and 2, it's not 2. It's 26. Big difference, right? All right. So if you don't have it yet, then pause, see if you can figure it out. There's the same connection to get the top number every time, and then the same connection to get the bottom number every time. All right. So let's look at it. So I notice, there's lots of things that we could do with 6 and 4. But if we add 6 and 4, we get 10. And I think, to get 20, I could just double that, right? Multiply it by 2. 10 times 2 is 20. So let's test that here. If I do 12 plus 8, I get 20. And 20 times 2 is 40. And that's my top number again. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 times 2 is 34. So that works. Okay. So to get the top, we add the numbers and multiply by 2. All right. So let's see. If the bottom is similar, then let's try subtracting. 6 minus 4 is 2. And if I double that, I get 4. 12 minus 8 is 4. And if I double that, I get 8. 15 minus 2 is 13. And when I double 13, I get 26. So it works. So that's the kind of activities we do in patterns in algebra. And this is just good for helping you to analyze what you're looking at. It's just good number practice, right? And to start recognizing some patterns that you'll often see in algebra and beyond that. So I hope it was fun. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.